What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we are super excited because I'm heading to Sedona. It snowed a bit last night and this morning, and so I'm going to Boynton Canyon and looking for the subway cave out there. I've never been, so it should be really cool. I mean, the red rocks will be beautiful with some snow, and if I can find this spot, I'll be really excited getting some photos with it in the snow. So come along, I'll talk a bit about kind of how to get there and whatnot, because you do have to go off trail a bit, and hopefully we'll get some cool photos and videos. All right, we'll see you out there. All right, it's absolutely epic, and I'm all squeamish like a little girl because I've never seen anything quite like it. But here's a little sneak peek of some views out there, with the red rocks, with the snow, with a little frost, with the fog on the top. It's real nice. You probably just looked at a bunch of houses, but it's epic. All right, we've made it. It's epic. We made it to the parking lot. It's the Boynton Canyon parking lot, and it's kind of full right now. I was hoping I'd be the only one here, but one can only hope, I guess, or something like that. But hoping this spot isn't super crowded. It's a little bit of a hike. It's like 2.5 miles, 3 miles each way. I've never done it before though, but I didn't get that. Could you try again? No. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out and hope I can't. We're gonna go check it out, and yeah, we'll see you on the trail. Peace. All right, here we are at the first sign. It's like 0.1 mile in, and we're gonna go to Boynton Canyon, so left towards this big rock, although there's a lot of big rocks out here. All right, here's the second sign. We're just gonna keep going left. May go up there on the way back down. There's some cool views and stuff, but for now, just head into the cave. All right, so here we are right at the turn. So it's right at like the 2 mile mark. If you have a way of keeping track of that, there's this big tree. The branches kind of come out over the top. But it's right at 2 miles. And then you pass this tree here on the left, and the turn is up here on the right. I want to say this is it right here, where there's no path, just snow. I'm also using the all trails, and that there was no like map to download for this trail, but there was if you do the Boynton Canyon hike on that map, there's a little spot with the cave and a little dotted line that indicates the trail, and I believe I'm on it right now. So yeah, I mean, in the snow, even not, it's pretty narrow and kind of hidden, but if you plan well and everything, use the all trails, or just right at the 2 mile mark. I'll check my watch again. Yeah, 2 miles, maybe a little over. That's where that tree is, so that's the best tip. All right, at the very end, the trail comes up, and it's up in there. Oh, I'm out of breath. But yeah, it doesn't look like a cave, but once you get in and climb up it, that's where the magic is. So we're gonna go up. no one is here either, which is kind of cool because I saw a ton of people in the parking lot and on the trail, but I guess this spot's pretty isolated. Turned around for the first time and it's so beautiful out there. Wow. All right, packing my camera up and we're hiking up. All right, here we go. Just gotta be careful with the slick rock, but oh fuck. It's a little tricky for sure. My boot's stuck. God damn it. Wow. This part looks fucked. Oh, just bear with me for a minute here as I lay on my belly and army crawl up this slick rock. That was gnarly. Halfway up, there's a mini view for y'all. Almost there. It's wet in here. It's kind of raining almost. Oh, this part's easy, thank God. Getting down is gonna be atrocious. Here we are. I've never been here before. Wow, this is sick. Oh my gosh. This is epic. All right, my camera's soaking wet because I was carrying it all hike, but thankfully it's got some good waterproof. I'm gonna try the 28mm lens right now. Stay there, bag, and see how the photos look. All right, so here we are. This is at 28mm. You can kind of see the screen right there. I'll take some snaps here and see what it looks like. In terms of settings, I'm gonna start with, F9 is basic for landscape, but since we have the red rocks out there and then some kind of closer, I'm gonna try F14. And then since we got the tripod, shutter will go down, ISO 200, and we're gonna bracket some photos. So take a few at a lower exposure, middle exposure, and a higher exposure, then blend them together afterwards. So yeah, we'll take a couple snaps. Definitely good to exposure bracket in here, and take a couple photos at a different exposure because it's very dark in the cave and a bit brighter out there. All right, awesome. All right, and then if you just go around that right corner, you come up on this view, and there's some more ruins and stuff up here too that are super cool. Here's a natural snow waterfall. It's kind of cool, but it looks sketchy on the right, but it's not too bad. Super nice views. Yeah, super cool view over here on the ruins. That's the cave on the left over there that we were just in. These are kind of cool, these little holes. Try not to fall here. Ugh. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, we made it safe and sound back to the trail. I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because it's freezing out. But thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all the photos and stuff down below. And hopefully you learned something and you can come check out this super cool spot.